Understanding, what can I bring, in English? Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, what can I bring? This phrase is often used in social situations, and understanding its nuances can really help you in your English conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this simple yet significant phrase. The phrase, what can I bring, is typically used when someone is invited to an event, like a dinner party, a picnic, or a gathering. By asking this, the person is offering to contribute something to the event. It's a way of showing politeness and willingness to participate in the communal aspect of the gathering. It's important to understand that this question is not just about physical items but also about the spirit of helpfulness and cooperation. In many English-speaking cultures, asking, "What can I bring?" is seen as a sign of good manners. It indicates that you don't want to arrive empty-handed and that you're considerate of the host's efforts. However, it's also common for the host to respond with phrases like, "Just bring yourself," or "Nothing. Just come and enjoy." This exchange is part of the social etiquette and shows a balance between offering help and acknowledging the host's hospitality. There are several variations of, what can I bring? You might hear, can I bring anything? Is there anything I should bring? Do you need me to bring anything? These variations all convey the same underlying offer of help and participation but might be used in slightly different contexts or based on personal speaking style. It's appropriate to use, what can I bring, in casual and semi-formal social settings. For formal events, where things are usually more organized and catered, this phrase might not be necessary. Additionally, if you're invited to a cultural or religious event, it might be wise to research or ask about appropriate contributions beforehand, as some items may not be suitable. When you ask, what can I bring? Be prepared for a range of responses. Sometimes, you might be asked to bring something specific, like a dish, drink, or game. Other times, the host might insist you don't need to bring anything. In both cases, respect the host's response and act accordingly. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of, what can I bring? This phrase is a great tool for social interactions in English, reflecting courtesy and consideration. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about cultural and social understanding. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson where we'll explore more interesting English phrases and their meanings.